Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder for the beginner class we did on February the 8th, 2022. We did a first move, a step across, a yo-yo and a lady spin. Links for the teachers in the description below. We're just going to show you a quick run through of how it was all joined together. So joined together, it looked like this. It went 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And that's it. Hope you find that helpful. As I said before, if you need more, look at the teachers in the description below. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation for something to practice to on the end. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.